Makari gave me stretch marks. Makari actually messed up with my skin. Makari gave me green veins that I've been struggling with for years, and I don't know what to do about it. Makari is the worst cream ever. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subby, you are welcome back. How to achieve amazing results with Makari. A lot of people say Makari did this, Makari did that. Before I go deep into it, this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. I'm making this video because I think a lot of people are getting it wrong. How do I start using Makari products? Which product do I start with? Am I not going to get stretch marks? Is Makari not going to destroy my skin? A lot of people have had terrible results with Makari. Now, Makari is a brand like every other skincare brand out there that can either work for you or not work for you. But does it make it the worst brand in the world? I would say no. Because it has worked for some people. And because it's not working for you doesn't mean it's really terrible. I'm not trying to roll out the facts that Makari has not dealt with some people's skin. It has. Just like every other product has done so. But I want us to give Makari some credit. Why? Because they are doing an amazing job. Sometimes the results, the negative, the consequences we have from their products are due to our own negligence. I'm one of them. Yes. Makari has a very broad range of products. They have so many ranges. They have done a good job by saying some products are for dry skin, some are for oily skin, some are for matured skin, some are for sensitive skin. They go as far as saying some are for beginners. There's a product from the Makari brand, or from, I don't know, from one of the ranges is for beginners. Now you want to start using Makari product and you're asking yourself, which product should I start with? No matter how many shades you want to get, if Makari says as a beginner you need to start with a particular product, please try your best to do that, or face the consequences when you go and start with another product or another brand, another range. From the Makari brand, I understand that they have the natural line, which is for beginners. If you are a first-time Makari user, go and start with the natural brand. I'm telling you this out of experience. When I was starting, when I just started using Makari products, I did not start from the natural range. I'm just gonna be honest. And that's why I can tell you this without blinking my eyes, that it's good to follow instructions. If you want to deal with skincare is something that is very, very, it's something, your skin is very delicate. You want to be careful with your skin. You really want to be careful with your skin. Follow what those skincare therapists or skincare specialists or whatever, however they call it, follow what they tell you, because I've come to understand that they know what they are talking about. You just look at it as it doesn't matter, but it really matters. When they say start with the natural line, start with the natural line. When I was starting Makari products, I started with the body beautifying milk. Now there are people who have started with that and they have had absolutely amazing results. They have not had any complaints. But I was unfortunate. I went and started with that and I started having some bumps on my skin. And immediately I contacted them. They asked me, how long have you been using Makari? I said, this is just the first time I'm starting use I'm trying Makari products. And they said, you started with the beautifying milk? I said, yes. It was worse because my skin is actually sensitive and I decided to go and start with that. It made it even worse. I started having some bumps and they quickly advised me on what to use, and thankfully I used it, and some natural home remedies, I used it and it worked. Like, it calmed down the effects of the cream. But I continued using the cream anyway. They asked me they told me what to mix with the cream in order to calm it down so I don't get those bumps coming out on my skin. But that was my fault. Am I going to ever blame Makari for that? I will not, because they didn't ask me to. What should you start with? Start with the natural. This is an example of the natural. This is it. I think I should have the glycerin. This is it. This is the lotion. This is the glycerin. But this one is only for those who have acne prone or oily skin. If you're not acne prone, please don't use this. This is a glycerin. This glycerin goes for all skin types. You can use this whether you're acne prone or not acne prone, whether you're a first time Makari user or you are you are a Makari guru, you can still go with this. But if you have dry skin, go with this. I'm going to leave a picture here. If you have sensitive skin, go with this. I'm going to leave a picture here. If you have dry skin, go with this. If you have sensitive dry skin, go with this. Or if you have sensitive skin, go with this. If you have oily, acne prone, go with this. Now this glycerin can go with any of the ranges, whether natural, whether new time, first time or first new Makari user or old Makari user. However, you can use this. But this is not a lightening glycerin. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to tell you that if you are starting Makari for the very first time, please use products like this. Use products like this. Use anything from the natural line, but use it according to your skin type. Don't go and get this because you saw me talking about this. Don't go and get this because you saw me talking about this. Get it because it is appropriate for your skin type. And then don't use this as a first timer. This is just, I'm just going to mention this in passing. Don't use this as a first timer. Don't use this. This is the one that comes in the orange, and there's another one that comes in the brown container. Don't use them. This one in particular, I think, is for the mature skin. This one is for all those who have been using Makari for a while. And please use them the way it's recommended. When you come to the natural, don't use it on your face. It comes in a set. Get the set. Get the set. It has a face cream, it has a face serum. If you don't want to use the serum, keep aside the face serum. And don't take the serum and mix in the lotion. The natural serum is not supposed to be mixed in the lotion. It's supposed to be used on its own on your face. Get the face cream. If you don't want the face serum, okay, you can go with the face cream. But don't use the body lotion on your face. It's to be used from here to here. The soap that comes with this range can be used on the face and on the skin. It's okay. Is it going to whiten your skin? No. Is it going to lighten your skin? Depending on how fragile or how soft, how sensitive, how quick your skin can pick up with cream, it might. Is it going to brighten your skin? Yes. It's going to rejuvenate your skin. It's going to make you have a glowing skin. It's going to give you a good effect. But if you're looking for something that's going to whiten your skin, this is not it. And I think that's the reason why many people, when they want to start using Makari product, they want to jump to this range. Because this one is so strong, or this range, because they are looking for fast results. Please, please, please make sure you are doing the right thing, so you stop laying blames or casting blames on Makari brand or people like this thing destroyed my skin. Because I've talked with a few people, when I want to tell them, oh, I have this issue, I said, okay, I think you should use this product because when I dare mention Makari, they're like, oh, Makari, no, Makari did this to my sister, Makari did this to me. And I was like, how did you start? Where did you start? You cannot just leave class 1 and you're going to class 7 all of a sudden. It doesn't work. It's step by step. So please follow the steps and you definitely get amazing results. But am I saying Makari works for everybody? No, it doesn't work for everybody. And if you use it the right way and it doesn't work for you, JJly carry your leg and go to the next product. Because I always say here that skincare is not a one-size-fits-all thing. It can work for me and it will not work for you. So keep trying until you get what is going to work for you. I hope this video helps somebody out there. And if you have not subscribed yet, if you watch me right up to this point without subscribing, please go and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.